Hi there guys, welcome back to the White Sponge live stream. David here, and as usual I'm your host. Okay, so welcome back to another White Sponge live stream, and today we are going to be finishing up on the chatting of the multiplayer game rooms. Okay. Okay, so the mic is slightly to the left. Okay, so I'm going to move the camera slightly to the left as well. Okay, so this should make it easier to see. Okay, so right now we are at Visual Studio. Okay, where I'm trying to add the navigation or the moving of the chat cursor left or right. Okay, as you are trying to navigate the text that you are inputting. Okay, so we were supposed to be streaming a few hours earlier, okay, but due to some unforeseen network situations, okay, today's live stream has been delayed till now. Okay, so sorry about that. Okay, so what I'm testing now, we are testing the game's chat. Okay, input text navigation. Okay, so what happens when I press left? Okay, notice that the chat cursor is moving left as well. Okay, so there's a few things that we need to do there. First is this. Okay, let's try 2.5. Okay, previous. So as we move the chat cursor left, the text should move right. Okay. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, I will also be turning off the background music for the game. Okay, so that if we are going to test using multiple instances of the game, off. Okay, so the music is off, so you will only hear the music playing from Windows Media Player here. Okay. Okay, so we are testing the chat again, and let's see what happens when we type extremely long messages so that it we'll go out of the input area with. Okay, so let's move the cursor left again. Okay, so I'm moving the cursor left. Oh, okay, so when we do so, okay, we have to hide the characters that are moving to the right. So if any characters that are moving to the right and that is out of the chat area, we have to hide them. And we also have to show the previous characters from the left and move them towards the right. Okay. Okay, so now we'll just have to test the right limit of the chat input area. Okay. So even though this is kind of hard coded, but it is a quick and dirty way of doing it. Okay, or rather, it's a quick and dirty way of accomplishing what we are trying to achieve. Okay, rogue-lite then. Okay, oh, and by the way, I've made it such that you are no longer able to send empty messages. So you comes so from the next patch onwards, which will be released tomorrow, okay, you will not be able to continuously press enter, okay, and send empty messages to the chat, okay, because it's kind of spammy if you do that. So you will have to type at least a character before sending something. Okay, so let's chat, or rather, okay, let's test the chatting moving left and right again, because we need long text to test this out. So let's do this. Okay, so I'm moving left. Okay. Alright, let's try 2.3. Okay, and we will also have to okay, make the characters that are before this. Oh, okay. So we have to move this character as well. Okay, the character that is currently at where the chat cursor is at. Okay, so current character object dot transform dot position equals to dot x plus move x okay, so move the text character object that is currently at the at where the chat cursor is at. Okay, so I'm just making sure that we do not have any drop frames here. Okay. Okay, so now let's test this line which we have just changed. Okay, so if this works, okay, we just need to repeat the same thing and maybe modify a little for moving the chat cursor to the right. Okay, and we can start on adding the option for you to choose okay, which character you want to play as in the multiplayer matches. Okay, room number 1. Okay, so we are testing chat again. Let's go. Okay, so we need an extremely long text of characters in order to test this moving left right of the chat cursor for better chatting experience. So let's do it. Okay, so now I'm moving the chat cursor left again. Okay, so notice that the characters are moving to the right and disappearing. Okay, but something is missing here, and that is the previous character is not reappearing. Okay, maybe we shouldn't use +1 here. New X. Okay. Okay. Current character object. Okay, I must say that since I've started adding this multiplayer X part of the game, okay, I've really learned a lot, and I'm still learning new things as I'm speaking. So this is really fun. Okay, so we need another extremely long text of characters. Okay, in order to test this moving left right of the chat cursor, so let's do this. Okay, so I am moving the chat cursor again. Okay, let's see what happens when we reach the left edge of the chat input area. Okay, we are still not getting the previous character. Okay. New X. Okay. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, let me just do some quick debugging by using debug.log. The previous typing index is at chat typing current index okay, next okay, and it should give us the character of entered check text entered chat. Okay. And showing it at hey, welcome back, Meg, and hi there as well, Krillin. How was your last weekend? Or how was your weekend? Okay, new X. plus comma plus dot transform dot position dot y. Okay, I'm just doing some simple debugging here. Okay, to find out why we are not displaying the previous character, to be re-displayed. Oh, hey, that sounds like you did have a good weekend. Oh, my weekend was filled with stuff about learning about chat. So things like moving or rather editing the text or copy and pasting, which I've not added yet. And I have added scrolling up and down. So you can scroll up and down to take a look at the previous chat that you have missed or entered yourself. Hey, congrats, man. Well, if it gets too hot, you could fry an egg on it. Okay, so I'm just going to show you what the scrolling up and down looks like. Okay, so to test scrolling up and down, okay, we have to type a lot of chat to fill up the chat area. So let's do this while I am speaking what I am typing, and it's weird but fun. Okay, so if I press up, okay, we can see the previous chat, and down. Weird. Okay, but what I really want to test is the moving of the chat cursor left and right. Okay, so let's test the moving of the chat cursor. Wow. Okay, I do miss those days when I used to assemble a PC myself and attempting to overclock the CPU as well. But if you are overclocking your CPU, you better make sure that you have some good cooling solutions for it, and that includes the thermal paste on the CPU itself. Okay, 1, 2. Okay. Okay, so the reason why it wasn't showing is because it's all at minus 500. Okay. So new X, let's see. Huh. Okay, so that means we'll need to plus 1 here. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, by the way, I do have the 4 character, sort of, you could call them profile pictures. Okay, that is for the is to represent which character you have selected. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so I'm going to test an extremely long sentence filled with rubbish content or text or characters, so that we can test the moving left right of the chat cursor. Okay, so I am moving the chat cursor left now. G-I-O space. Wait a second. Left, right. Okay. Okay, the characters that are written are not in order, which is weird. Oh. Okay, we should use -1 instead of +1. Wait a second. Hey, thanks man. Good night and see you soon. Good night. Sweet dreams as well. Okay, this will definitely involve a lot of trial and error. Okay, so this means that I will need to, or rather we will need to have some patience here. Okay. Okay, room number 99. Okay, so I'm just typing an extremely long text of characters or sentence of words and gibberish, okay, in order to test the moving of the chat cursor left, right. Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay, so instead of using this, we can use the chat cursor's location. So that should help us, okay, make the text character object reappear. Okay, let's try that. Hey, what's up, Spellozy? Is that how you pronounce your username? Okay, so we are testing the moving left right of the chat cursor and what happens if we do so. So that's why we are testing this right now. Okay, so now I am moving the chat cursor left, or rather towards left, using my left arrow key. Okay, notice that everything is all gibberish. L E F T R I G H T. Okay, and that's because our index here is incorrect. Okay, the current index. Okay, what if we grab it at -1? Okay, if that's the case, we do not need this. Okay, we can use the chat cursor for that, and the chat cursor for that. So let's imagine our chat cursor at a certain number or index, say the 5th character. So if we press left, we want the 4th character to reappear as well. So okay, minus. Okay, so this is the 4th character. New X. Okay, so we want it to appear at where the chat cursor is at. Okay, let's give this a try. Okay, let's see. Create room type 10. Okay, so testing chat again by moving the chat cursor left, right. So we need an extremely long width of characters or text to test this out. Okay, so the next character that should appear on the left of A should be CHAR. R C F. Okay, that's weird. Seems like everything is kind of 60. Next is at 60. Previous typing index is at 61. Oh, that's weird. Okay, what if we just move this? Okay, current character object. Okay. Okay, so we might actually add copy and pasting after this, but okay, let's see. Okay, room type 10. What the? We are testing moving left, right of the chat cursor so that the chat input area is more interesting. Okay, maybe copy / paste later on. Okay, so now I'm moving the chat cursor left again. Okay, EAT. Okay, this is weird. H. Okay. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Okay. So I'm testing the chat cursor again. So before F we should have E. Okay. But F disappears. So that's a bug. And before E we have D. And it's gone as well. So we have two bugs here, or rather, yeah. So that's incorrect and not what we need. Okay, sometimes it might help if we draw it out, so let's do that. Okay, so if for example our text is text, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, let's imagine our blinking chat cursor to be at maybe 4. Okay, and let's imagine 4 to be the. Okay, imagine this is the chat input area, so only for 3 characters. So right now it's showing ing. So we'll need so when we press left again, it should show tin. Okay, so this means that whatever index you are at, we need to -1. We need to grab the previous one So we need to -1 to grab the previous one and move it to right. And we also need to move the current one and move it to the right as well. And the next one we'll need to move it to the right as well. Okay. So this means that we need to move this and we need to move this, both of them. Okay, so to do that, okay, let's change this back to show character object. Okay, we need to add move X. Oh wait. Okay, so for this we will not need to add move X, but okay, for this we will need to add new X plus move X. Yeah. Okay, so that should do it. Okay, but of course we still have to test it. Hey, hi there, Aga Geno. How's your weekend? By the way, do correct me if I pronounce your username incorrectly. Okay, right now we are testing some of the chat functions in the game. So you can use chat to chat with the other players in the multiplayer game room, which you have either created or joined. Hey, hi there, Debug Park. Okay, that's a really cute name you have there. Okay, so testing chat with an extremely long width of text or characters, so that we can test what happens when we move the chat cursor left, right. Okay, so right now I'm going to move the chat cursor towards the left edge of the chat input area. M E interesting. T okay. So apparently, okay, we have some display bug over there. Oh, okay, so here, okay, let's remove this. Okay, so this is what debugging sometimes feels like. Okay, because you have to keep testing and testing, and sometimes it requires a lot of trial and error, and it requires you to do some process of elimination. Okay, room name 1. Okay, so we need an extremely lengthy sentence to fill out this entire line of text in order to test the character or chat cursor moving left or right. So let's do this. So this next character that should reappear should be L. Oh damn it. Okay, we are definitely getting something wrong here, because everything here is gibberish. Yeah, so this is not interesting. Okay. Hey, welcome back, Rave Row. How was your weekend? And hi there as well, the Tajik bear. Okay, that's a cute username you have there. Oh, hey, that's great, man. I had a great weekend as well. Especially because during Saturdays or Sundays, I do spend time on Stellar Stars as well, but I do get enough me time, so that's awesome as well. Okay, so it seems as though as we are kind of a little bit start here. Okay, on the text chat cursor moving left and right. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to put this on the to-do list and come back to it later on. Okay, but we'll move to something else, which is the sending of custom events. So things like updating or informing other players which character you have selected before the match starts. Okay, so those are things that we can use for the custom events. Hey, that's interesting, man. How do you usually get yourself hyped? Do you do some sort of exercises, or do you drink something, or do you maybe do some push-ups, or Okay, as for myself, what I usually do is to relax and maybe watch some funny videos, which you can easily find on YouTube. Oh. Hey, did you just change the color of your username? Hey, but that's cool, man. But there is something from there which I recognize immediately, and that is coffee. Okay, I usually start the day with a cup of coffee while eating my breakfast. So yeah, coffee is a good way of starting the day. Okay. Oops. Photon engine. Okay, documentation. Oh. Hey, high five to coffee, man. Okay. Oops. Oh no. Okay, next, let's take a look at how we can send custom events or messages to the other players in the room. Okay, let's come back over here. Okay, let me just room stack, callback. Update. Okay, let's do it here. Okay, so we'll need to create a new method for this. Let's call it send event. Okay, so let's take a look at how we can send a custom event. Send race event. Oh, okay, so it's called event. Oh, interesting. Event content. Oh, hey, no worries, man, and thanks for joining us today. Oh, okay, and get some rest and have a great day at school as well. Good night. Oh, and see you soon, Refro. Oh, hi there, San Hikari. Do you prefer it to be pronounced as Son Hikari? Okay. Oh, oops. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, okay, let me refresh. Yep. Hey, thanks for letting me know. Okay, I didn't know that it was black. Oh my god. Hey, thanks for letting me know, man. Yeah, see you soon too. Okay. So if we want each player if we want you to inform the other 3 players of which character you have selected, okay, we want to be able to send that custom event saying that maybe player 1 has selected this character for this match. So the icon will update as well. The icon that represents the selected character. Okay, so we are not black. So in order to do that, we'll need to define some custom events. So let's do that here. let's call this multiplayer events. Okay. Of course, we'll start with none, which is 0. So we have 0 to 199. Okay, as according, okay, as described here. Okay, event codes start with 1. Yeah, so if we use 0 for none, okay, it should be fine. Okay, so the first event or custom event that we want to raise or update the other players or everyone is the selecting or confirming of character for the match. Okay, so okay, let's set this as character confirm equals to 1. Yep. So over here, in sense event, okay, we'll call the photon network and we'll raise an event. Okay, so constants dot multiplayer events dot character confirm, and we'll okay, so let's see, event. Okay, what should we do here? Hey, what's up, Dark Master 93 and Hex? Welcome to the live stream. How's your weekend? Okay. So in this case, we will need to send the name of the character that is selected, that you have selected. Okay, or we could just use the number or index that represents the character that you have selected. Okay, byte. Okay, so this means that we need to do this. Game. Oh. Huh. Okay. Okay, let me just cut this sentence. Okay, let me cut it away. Okay. And before we sort of create this method, the send event, we will actually use this internally, and we'll create a new method here with a new region just for callback update. Okay, the game itself. Okay, so region photon game stack and region. Okay, let's call it mesh preparation stack. Okay, so everything that has that's related to preparing for the mesh, things like selecting which character and which character grows you want to bring it to the multiplayer mesh, so we'll put it here. Okay, so choose character for mesh, so character name. Okay. Race event. Okay, what else do we need here? Comma. Okay, comma. Reliable. Race event options. Okay. So we need a byte event code, and we need okay, we need the content to send. Okay, and okay, and lastly, any options. Okay, so for the options, let's see. Default. Oops. Okay. So over here, we'll just call photon network dot race event codes, event content, if reliable, and race event options dot default. Okay, so that is what this private method will be for. Okay, so send event, comma, byte, character name. Okay, what else do we have? If reliable. Yep, and that's it. Oh. Okay, this will set it true. Yep. Okay. So we also need to be able to listen to events. Dot on event. iPhoton peer listener. Okay. Comma iPhoton. Oh, it's not here. Okay, let me search for it under our dear photon library. Go to definition. Oh, okay, what about hey, what's up, Kozax? Is that how you... Hi there. Is that how you pronounce your username? Definition... Yep. Okay, status change on event. Okay, so we can use this callback method. Okay, we can implement it. So on event, okay, let's see if there's an on event here. Yep. Okay, so there is. Event code. Oh. Okay. So what we're going to do is to test the sending and receiving of custom events. Okay, in the game room. So to do that, okay, here, okay, we are going to add a new private method. Let's call it on event. Okay. Go to definition. Okay, the event data. Okay. Oh. Okay. Exit games dot client dot event data. Yep. Okay, so let's test to see if this will be caught when we receive a new event. Okay, receive a new event with data. Okay, event data dot let's call it code. Okay, so over here I'm just going to do a simple sort of you could call it test, a simple test. Okay, so get key down. So once we are connected to a chat or to the Photon servers, I'm just going to press the key code dot exec key to send an event, or rather choose character for match, character name dot chaos. Oh, okay, so this is sending of the selected character to other players, so they know which character you have selected. Okay, but of course we are just testing it here. Okay, with data. Okay, let's see what other data can we get from here. Parameters. Dot. Let's take a look here on event data dot code, event data dot parameters. Okay. Okay, maybe I'll just do a simple to shrink. Here. Okay, and let's see what we'll get. Okay, let me just do a simple stretch. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is to build a version of the game so that we can run 2 instances of it. Windows. Okay, and because we need to have 2 instances of the game running at the same time in order to test the multiplayer. Oh, hey, welcome back, Krypton Gamer. Hi there. How have you been? Okay, right now I'm just building a version of the game so that we can test the sending of events. Okay, which should serve as the foundation for us to implement the actual multiplayer match itself, which will be in real time. Okay, let me just change the controls here using the input manager. Okay. Yep. Okay, and we have to make sure that we do not run it in full screen. Okay, 112. Okay, so now we are building a version of it. Okay, so let's wait for Unity to build it, which shouldn't take long. Okay, it should be almost done. So we have built a simple version of it. Okay, in order to test this. So what I'm going to do now is to start the game. Okay, maybe from the client that we have just built. Hey, hi there, Johnny. How's your weekend? Okay, right now we are testing, you could call it the foundation of the multiplayer part of it. Okay, I just came up with some random username. Okay, create room, type 0. Okay, and we are going to join the room here in Unity. So we'll be running 2 instances of the game, okay, in order to test the multiplayer, or at least the basic framework of it, which is the sending and receiving of events. Okay, so I'm going to join the room here, 0. Yeah. Okay, so there are now 2 players in the same game room. Okay, so watch what happens when I press Z. Okay, so if I press Z here, okay, so we get an update here. So unhandled event. Okay, so this means that we have actually received an event that is sent from this client to the client within Unity. Okay, we just need to identify that event. Okay. Okay, let's see. Event 1. Yep. Okay, so it's event 1, which is correct. Okay, let's close this. Okay, notice that whenever someone leaves the room, okay, you get a notification. Okay, when someone leaves the room. Okay. Okay, now let's take a look at why we are not identifying the event. .code. Okay, so over here at 9516, okay, we receive a new event. Okay, let's try sending an integer instead. So it might not be able to identify the number that was sent. Okay, so we need to check that. Okay, this will definitely require a lot of patience. Okay, in order to test it between multiple clients. Okay, and it's kind of bright for some reason. Okay, let me just. Oops, sorry about that. Oh. Okay, sorry about that. Okay. Oh. Okay, so I keep getting this update to Windows 10 notification. Okay, because I'm still using Windows 7 here. Okay, create room type 10. Room type 10. Okay, now I'm just going to press the Z key again, and we're still getting an unhandled event. Okay, this is most likely due to because it's not able to identify the number sent as 1. So we need to find out why that's happening. Okay, event code. Okay, let me go to this. Oh, okay, if that's the case, let me just use this and do the same thing over here. Okay, so let me see. So as you might have guessed, okay, I'm still learning part of the multiplayer, okay, part of adding multiplayer. So I am still learning here, which is kind of fun as well. Public class event codes. Oh, okay, cool. Comma. Okay, maybe if I just use. Oh, that's weird. Okay, if I go to definition. Oh, okay. Okay, so this means that we definitely have to use bytes instead of integer here. in order for the we have to use this in order for each client to identify the event that was sent. So that means I have to do something like this. Yeah. Okay, so over here. Okay, so constants dot constants dot multiplayer events dot character confirm. Okay, so this should okay, or rather the game client should be able to recognize this now, or this custom event now. So let's build it again. Okay, so I'm just going to run the game here. Okay, and we will create a new game room using this player. Okay, so let's call it room number 1. Okay, and over here, okay, we'll create another game room. Oh, sorry, we will join the game room that was created. So press J for joining a room. So room number 1. Okay. So now let's go back to the first client, and we'll press the Z key. Oh, okay. That's weird. It's still not able to identify the code, the type of event. Okay, maybe we are not defining the events correctly. Okay, send event codes. Oh, wait a second here. Okay, event content. Okay, that's weird. Okay, let me just sending a new event with codes. Okay, event codes. Okay, let me try this. Okay, so this time instead of sending the event from the first client. We'll do it from within Unity, which is the second client. Okay. Join room number 1. Okay, so if I press Z now, okay, sending a new event with codes 1. Okay. Okay, this is weird. So if it's able to identify the code as 1 here, on event call. Oh, okay. So okay, this might be due to the fact that we have not registered any handling methods here. Okay, so this means that what we need to do is to go back to our multiplayer client here. Okay, raise event. So we'll use on event. Okay, plus equals. Is this how you do it? Oh. Okay, let me check the documentation here. Dot on event. Okay, let me just do a quick search here. Receiving events. Okay, on event. Okay, so I'm guessing that the on event is not being called. Oh, okay. Okay, so I need to register that. So to do that, it seems that we can use on event call. Okay, so photon network dot on event call. Okay, plus equals to on event. Is that how you do it? Oh. Hey, what's up, defense? How's your weekend? Okay, let's see. This dot on event call. Interesting. Okay, what if I call it public? Nope, it's not working. Okay, so I think we have to set this up. Not here, but at the connection stack, or rather the setup, or maybe the callback stack. So once we are connected to the Photon servers over here, okay, we can try this plus equals to method group. Oh, okay, on event raise. Okay. Hey, what's up? Says it. Do correct me if I'm pronouncing your username incorrectly. But welcome to the live stream. Okay, on event. Okay, so right now we are just testing the sending of custom events to multiple clients. So this will serve as the basic framework for the real-time multiplayer match. So if we can do this, we can do things like sending or updating the players or each player's character's position on the stage. Okay, on the randomly generated stage. Okay. Okay, what if I do this? Oh. Okay. Okay. Race event. Huh. Okay, let's try that approach. Okay, on event race. Okay, let's set it to public. Okay, that's weird. Okay, race event. Okay. Huh. Okay, let's try this. Event code. Oh. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so I thought that we had an error, so it turns out that it was just Unity having to, or the script having to update itself. Okay, so this time we should be able to send custom events, okay, from one client to the other. Okay, we just wait for Unity to build the game again with the updated changes. Okay, and we can test what we have just changed. Okay, so testing multiplayer involves a lot more steps, and it also involves a lot more different types of situations that we have to cater to. Yeah, that reminds me that some of them I've not catered to yet, which I will have to do. So things like what happens if a connection times out. Okay, so those are some situations that are quite real and can happen frequently. Okay, so we're almost done with the build. Okay, so let's start the game here. Okay, let's create a new room here. Let's call it room type 0. Okay. Next, we will create. We'll join the room that we have just created from within Unity. Okay, so this is how you can test multiplayer even on a single laptop or machine. But of course, if you have two different machines, then by all means. Okay, so let's join the room type 0. Okay, so here in the first client, okay, I will press the Z or Z key on my keyboard, and we have received a new event with codes 1 and data 2. Okay, 2 represents Asuka, who is the third character. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, are the 4 numbers for the 4 characters. So let's go back to the code here. Okay, so over here, so I pass in Asuka with the third character. So if we receive such an event, okay, we can, so for example, okay, we can say that so that event is for when someone else or another player has changed the selected character. So if currently both of the characters or both of the players are using the first character, but if we send this event, okay, the character will be changed to Asuka. So this icon here that shows the red character, who is the first character, will be changed to this. Okay, which is the icon for, okay, yeah, so we change to this. Okay, and that is what we need to do next, which is to update the character icon when we receive a new event. And we also need to add the option for you to choose the character, so that we can send this event or this notification to the other players, so that they know which character you are using or you have changed to. Okay, so this is just for testing, so let's comment this. Okay, so this means that we have sort of laid the framework, the basic foundation for us, and for setting up the actual real-time multiplayer match. So now the next thing that we need to do is to show the interface for you to choose which character you want to play for this upcoming match. Okay, so that's the next thing that we'll do, but for today's live stream we will stop here. Okay, but I'll be streaming tomorrow as well, and we will have a new game patch coming out tomorrow as well. So look forward to that. And if you have not tried Stellar Stars yet, you can play and grab the demo. Okay, experience the adventure yourself. Okay, the link is okay, so you can grab the demo of Stellar Stars there, so experience the adventure there, and do let me know what you feel about the game. Okay, so I hope that you have enjoyed today's live stream, and if you do not know who I am, my name is David, and I'm looking forward to chatting with you guys again. Have a great day ahead. Cheers.